Xander, what are you doing? You said cheese. Xander, how did you get in there? What are you doing, son? Xander, wave at the camera. Say, this is my new Christmas present. From now on, we're just giving you boxes.
Xander, how did you get in there? How are you going to get out? I don't know. I know. You just like crawled in there or fell in there or what?
Xander, look at the camera. I'll shut it for you. Look at the camera. Xander. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.